People sometimes forget that animals, even with a simple action, may be true saviors. That's why I'm here to bring you these 35 amazing animals that saved human lives. Are you with your pet now? Let's watch this together. This German Shepherd suddenly awoke and barked at his owner continuously. Despite her irritation, it kept pulling her away. And because of his sensitivity and patience, she was saved before bad things happened. This driver noticed something unusual while driving. This cat was trying to get this crawling baby to the curb to keep him safe. This elephant thought its human friend was in danger as he was in the middle of a fast-flowing river. It immediately rushed to help its friend, who was not of the same species. Let's see how a mother hen protected her chicks against this voracious predator. This coyote was approaching this house in search of food, but this tuxedo cat didn't allow it. This woman had no idea that a large guy was entering her kitchen. When the black bear was only a few feet away from the girl, her two dogs barked and chased it out of the house. You won't feel anything out of place until I tell you that this house belongs to someone else.
I need help!
As soon as the owner gave a shrill scream, this dog immediately went into guard mode. When this farmer was tagging the calf's ears, his horse kept an eye on the mother cow. She intended to rush forward with her baby, but the horse did a good job of protecting its owner.
Ooh! Dang!
A child dropped her sandal in the elephant cage, but the surprise that happened was when this smart elephant used her trunk to pick up the sandal and return it to her. This man made these dogs nervous. One of them panicked and ran around the lake. After that, they immediately jumped into the lake to save him. The imperfections of a human can be filled by a faithful companion.
Screaming has just found his way into another man's yard. The homeowner hears the commotion. Intruder takes cover, seeking refuge atop the automobile.
He's trying to save you! He's saving you! Oh.
This little girl was assigned to finish her homework before her daddy came home. But it seems that this little girl was engrossed in watching WOW TV, and her loyal friend helped her. While these two cubs were around the neighborhood, the people living there quickly hid inside of their house, until this brave little French bulldog chased them away. Heroes don't always wear capes, but they will always protect babies in moments like this. This cow was about to run to the baby, and his sheepdog became a hero at this moment. What about you? Have you ever met such heroes in your own life? Let us know in the comments below.